Today is 20th of Feb. You can see that the date is here. This matter is already sub judice. And when the matter is sub judice, still going ahead and cutting the cable is something which should have not been done. From ISP's side, under Article 19, it is the fundamental right of ours to do the business. And it is also the fundamental right of all the residents and companies those are operating in Goa to get the essential services, which is internet. Here it is not matter about just cables, it is matter of what are the alternate solutions government has gone ahead and put. You can go ahead, talk about removing the poles, you can talk about anything else. Under the ROW policy 2024, it very categorically mentions that electricity poles which are street furnitures can be used by telcos and ISPs for expanding their network. This is our fundamental right. This is being governed by the central government policy. And the official gazette of Government of Goa, which is 13th of April 2023, also talks about that the nodal agency is Department of IT. All the ISP players are compliant ISPs. We have all submitted all our applications. As a matter of fact, that when the electricity department has asked for, we have gone ahead and submitted a copy to electricity department as well. We only humbly request, let's not go ahead and penalize the end customer. The customer has got the fundamental right to get the internet. You are depriving the customers, the end customers, like Mervyn has mentioned about the students. What is going to happen to their examinations? Are they ready to prepare for the examinations when the internet is not available? Because large chunk of students are working online, they are studying online. The remote workers, those are operating in Goa, their entire office job is being hampered completely. As been mentioned, there are a lot of government offices as well. Their operations are being halted. Mapsa Court is being halted.
This could be a life or death situation. Elderly people that need the internet to be able to function and communicate. For your emergency services could die because they don't have proper internet connectivity.
Now, which place is you have seen the cutting of cable right now?
This is the place which is Miramar.
But it's happening all over the place. Not only here, yeah? It's happening everywhere. And
It is going on everywhere.
It is going on continuously, one place or the other place. As Mervyn has mentioned, we know the mobile coverage in Goa. We all depend upon Wi-Fi. As soon as we reach our places, we ensure that our mobiles are live on the Wi-Fi. Now, if the Wi-Fi is not working and something happens to the senior citizen, who is going to take the responsibility? Government of Goa, Electricity Department, Department of IT, who is going to take the responsibility? We humbly request, let's come together. Let's find a solution. You are not just going ahead and creating a mess, you are creating one. You are not removing the mess, you are creating one. Understand the situation. Students are the future of India. What are you doing with students? Their future is completely blacked out. Please try and understand. It is request to all. It is our fundamental right. It is the fundamental right of the citizens of Goa to get internet connectivity. And whosoever is coming and talking about illegal, Department of IT has submitted a letter to Department of Electricity that all the compliant players, wherein the name of ours, name of Mervyn, name of all the ISP operators is already mentioned in that particular file, who has already submitted all the documents which are required as per the norms set by the central government under the policy 2024 of ROW. ROW policy talks about that poles can be used, nobody can stop us. Somebody is passing on the message that electricity poles cannot be used, poles can be used. You are contradicting central government policy. You are depriving the residents of Digital India being promoted by Narendra Modi ji. Our Honorable Prime Minister is so much concerned that the remotest possible person should get the internet. Here you are depriving the entire state of Goa. This is something which is...
So you mean to say you don't have to pay for poles as department
that's not what we're saying. There's another clarification. It's very important to understand. We are asking for nothing for free. We have submitted our applications. We are willing to pay whatever is required. You all want to go 5 years back, 10 years back. We've been around for 30 years. This is not some new industry.
So you are ready to pay dues.
We are providing a service which we are happy to pay the government of Goa. We are paying AGR right now. We are paying GST right now. We are all legal, completely legal. I don't know why people keep saying illegal. If you all don't authorize and regularize what we are doing, we stay in limbo. We have submitted our documents. All these ISPs have submitted documents and are happy to pay. All we're looking is for guidance from the government agencies. The DOIT who we report to, they have all our applications. The portal is not open. There is a portal that all the government agencies can communicate centrally. That portal is not open. Only place in India. Everywhere else it's open. Only Goa till now we don't have our IT portal open. So we've submitted the documents. We want to pay. We want to contribute. We want to help clean up. But we have to start somewhere. We're only begging. We're only asking.
How much time you need to stop this?
Applications are already submitted to Department of IT. We just want the confirmation. Here is the demand note. Unless we get the demand note, how can I go and make the
What do we
payments?
pay?
Whom to pay? How much amount to be paid? We have given the application.
Followed up also.
We have application talks about these many poles in every taluka where we want the poles. You have to go ahead and give us the demand note. Once the demand note has been served to us, we make the payments. You have to give the guiding principles. You come and say these poles, these wires are hanging. Give us the guiding principles. How should we go ahead and tie the cables on the electricity poles? Give us the guiding principles. We are requesting hereby that please come forward, suggest us. Say, for example, if we are going wrong, you have to guide us.
And looking
second,
for guidance and
we are-
proper communication between the government
We
organizations.
are just saying.
After you
all
had
the
so many meetings, why the result is not coming out?
That's what we are asking. We're still asking. Listen, it's not us against them.
Yeah.
We are not against the government. The government should not be against us. We are happy to pay. We are happy to follow the rules. We want the end customer to benefit. All we are asking is proper communication between government agencies and give us guidance. Tell us what we have to pay. We are happy to pay. If we don't have guidance, the portal is not open, where do we turn? Who do we turn to? And in the meantime, the last mile customer is suffering. The customers don't care. We want internet. We have to survive. We've got work to do. Our kids are doing exams. We want to provide that service. All we are asking is to give us proper guidance. You all communicate as government agencies and give us proper guidance. It is not, we are not trying to fight anybody. We want to follow the rules. We are compliant. We are legal entities. We want to follow the rules. We're looking for some guidance.
There
How
were
many
times
customers
when
you all be interrupted now?
Today, with this cable cutting, my 300 customers are down, and as per the show cause notice and the order we have received, we are not supposed to pay these customers. These 300 customers, their entire occupation, their entire overall business is going to be impacted. We are sorry for our customers, but this is the situation which is getting done. Cables are not illegal. The cutting is illegal. You are going and contradicting central government policy ROW 2022. The union government has very categorically mentioned the street furnitures can be used by ISPs and telcos. This is not cable business. This is not entertainment business. This is essential services. And as per the official gazette of Government of Goa, 13th April 2023, it says that 90 days of prior notice needs to be given if you are doing any disruption. Where is 90 days of notice? Nobody has served it. So you are compromising the official gazette. You are compromising the ROW policy 2024, which is being framed by central government. What are we trying to do? This illegal cutting should be stopped immediately.
You have approached
mean
code
the,
also.
Electricity department, you have to say.
Whosoever is cutting,
The cable is being cut by the
they should.
electricity
It is cut by electricity department.
Yes, electricity
Yeah, so-
department, and this is completely illegal.
This last
Did you approach court?
And yes,
Yes, the matter
we
is
have-
sub judice.
The matter is sub judice. So my humble request is that hold on, let us conclude amicably, let us discuss as a matured citizens of Goa, and let's make sure that Goa is flourishing. Let's not create hindrance for Goa.
until there is proper guidance. There should be a moratorium on this cutting. Right? Let the government figure out what has to be done, give us the guidance, but stop the cutting of the cable which impacts the last customer at the end, right? Usage of internet, right? This last order makes it illegal for us to fix the cables. The last order that has been advertised makes it illegal for us to fix these cables. Now, if we don't fix the cable, who's going to suffer? It benefits the ISPs in no way to leave the cables cut. We are running around trying to help our customers. We don't want our customers to suffer. We are going around fixing cables all over Goa that is being cut illegally, that should not be cut, because we still don't have proper guidance.
So
from
what is the
government.
solution right now? Because
Give
every
us
day it
guidance,
is same.
Mama. Open the portal, no? There is a Gati Shakti portal that is open all over India. In every state it's up and running,
Every state
where
it
all
is
the
up and
government organizations can communicate. It is still not, Goa is the only state, territory that does not have the Gati Shakti portal open.
So 13th of April 2023, the policy which has been officially declared by Government of Goa, we have gone ahead and given all our applications. They have to approve it. They have to go ahead and serve the demand note for that particular piece. As soon as that is being done, all these cable work would eventually be taken care of. So it is Department of IT has to come forward and make sure that both the departments are talking to each other and sort this matter. Give us the guiding principles, we abide by that. ISPs has been paying AGRs, lakhs of money are getting paid as AGR every quarter. GST is being paid. Livelihood of so many employees, those are working for the ISPs. Imagine what is going to happen. For you, it is just a matter of cutting the cable. You are depriving the state of GST, you are depriving the state of jobs, you are depriving the state of people coming and working here remotely. Students' future is completely blacked out. So what are we trying to do? Are we wanting to do this? One in Panjim location, second was in Mapsa. We said this is the way we can go ahead and do it. We also want to make sure that all these cables which are hanging can be neatly tidy work which can be done, and we have showcased that. Somebody should come and give us the guiding principle. This is based on our understanding. We are requesting, show us the methodology how we should be carrying out the cables, and we will surely do it. Serve the demand notes to us, we will make the payments. Do not sending show cause notice. We are not criminals here. We have been supporting the entire Goa residents from past 30-40 years when none of the telcos were there. Now some telcos have come and you are making sure that all these local Goan companies are vanished. They'll be killed just because somebody has come from some other location, a big telco. What are we trying to say?
Into how different states were having different methodologies, how to connect, how to charge. There were, each state was interpreting it. Now the central government has formalized what are the rates, how it is to be done. But if the state government of Goa is not adopting those principles which are there and taking their own decisions, then the end customer is definitely going to suffer. And as ISP operators, the matter is sub judice. So any action which is done when the matter is in court amounts to contempt of court. So our humble request is, everyone should respect the laws of the land and not go around cutting the cables, holding the innocent residents at ransom.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.